Hello everyone. Many customers are interested in our 938. Okay, let me tell you the story of 938 in this video. This is our emission standard III model, excellent design. Brand engine, high pressure common rail systems. More power, higher combustion efficiency can help reduce emission. Excellent. Cyclone exhaust hood, difference from other brands. Helps to dissipate heat. Prolongs the service life of engine. Easy entry and the wider, more refined cab layout. And get you up to speed fast. And thus driving security has been improved greatly. The multifunctional display board can show the machine's conditions at a glance. Delivers the intuitive user experience. Ergonomics comfort seat. This is our emission standard EI model, similar to the emission standard I.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna
Cubic meter engineering bucket. The shovel teeth are very hard. Main frame is articulated, flexible stair. The shovel force is powerful. Highly efficient, energy saving and quick responding. Excellent.